name is Joseph Vaughn. I'm from Granbury, Texas, and I'm here to tell you that God does answer prayers and how He's answered my prayers. I was in such despair, being on a strict income. For one of the prayers that I was begging for the Lord to answer is my septic system was completely shot. It was broken. I had the city of Granbury knocking at my door telling me that they were going to fine me $500 a day, face jail time if I didn't get it fixed. And I was praying to the Lord, please Lord, please let something happen, please. I cannot do this. The city health department was also in on this, and that's why it was such a severe penalty. My septic guy told me he would help me on this and get them off my back. So he did a temporary fix. You know, it was a relief, but it wasn't the right fix. And I was still praying to God, please let something happen, please let something happen. And then a year goes by, and then one day I come home and I have a piece of paper sticking in my mailbox, and there was a bunch of writing on the paper that I didn't understand. There was just a phone number on there saying, call me bud. And I'm like, oh no, pink piece of paper, phone number on there with a bunch of lettering I don't understand, and a phone number I don't recognize. And I call it up, and it's my septic guy, and he tells me, dude, you were blessed. And I'm like, what do you mean I was blessed? A guy from California just bought a house, and there's a septic system that he has in his brand new house, but he doesn't want it. He wants a brand new system, and the system in his house, he wants me to give it to somebody. He wants me to take out his new system that's already coming with the house and give it to somebody. He doesn't want me to charge anybody for it. He wants to gift it to somebody. A brand new aerobic system, and gift it to somebody. No charge. If he has to charge labor for it, that's fine. But he just wants to give it to somebody. And he gifted it to me. A brand new aerobic system in my backyard. So my prayers were answered. I got a brand new aerobic system in my backyard. And the guy in California got a brand new septic system, and all I had to pay is $50 for a brand new septic system. Tell me God does not deliver on your prayers. Tell me He does not. And that's just one. That's just one of my prayers that were answered. Another one. I had a truck in my yard that I was trying to sell. It was sitting there for 11 years. I couldn't sell it because it had no title, just keys. And I've been trying to sell it. It has value, but it can't sell because it has no title. One day, a guy knocks on my door. He's interested in the truck, but I told him it has no title. And then he's like, you want to trade anything for it? I'm like, well, what do you got? He's like, what do you need? I'm like, I need a roof. And he's like, you need a roof? Okay, let's make it happen. I got guys. And then I'm like, you want to fix my roof? Okay, you got a truck. Within that day, at 11 o'clock in the morning, he had 5 guys on my roof. He got himself a truck. By 5:30, I had 13 holes in my roof fixed. Tell me Lord does not deliver. Guys, tell me that God does not deliver and answer your prayers. Jesus delivers. He answers your prayers. He's answered my prayers. And He will answer yours. It may take a month, it may take a week, it may take a year, it may take more. Give God time. In time, there will be trials and tribulations in your life, and you may be discouraged, but don't give up, because He's not going to give up on you. me on that. You never gave up on me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.